Make sure Sonnet 3 and your hearing aid are not connected via Bluetooth to any external devices, such as your smartphone. You can disconnect them from your phone by turning off Bluetooth on your phone. Switch on AudioLink XT. Press the telecoil and microphone buttons simultaneously for about 2 seconds until the LED light starts flashing. Place Sonnet 3 and your hearing aid next to AudioLink XT and turn on both devices. Once they are connected with AudioLink XT, you can begin using your hearing aid and Sonnet 3 with AudioLink XT. For example, you can begin using the remote microphone. The lights will pulse slowly to show that AudioLink XT is streaming to both devices.